Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will show you how to remove and replace heater controls, AC controls on Dodge Charger or Dodge Magnum, guys. That will be the generation from 2005 all the way until probably 2010. Stay with us, we're gonna work on that one here now. We have a Magnum that we're working on now, but at the shop we have a Charger. Many of the parts are interchangeable and the procedure will be about the same. So stay with us and we're gonna show you now how to do it, guys, right here. Alright guys, so first what we need to do, you need to get a prying plastic tool, and there is a couple clips here and there. We'll show you how to remove the trim piece now. There is a couple here as well. Just don't push too much on one side because you'll crack it. So you just need to go a little bit here, a little bit there. One is right here, exactly in the middle. Okay, like that. This one is out, and on top there is a couple more. Okay, like that. So we remove those now, and next guys, stay with us, we'll show you what else you need to do here. You need to make sure you put the gear shift in drive, put the e-brake on so we don't roll anywhere like we did it for a little bit. Okay, like that. Still messing with it. And next what we need to do, in order to remove it, guys, there is a couple wires here that hold the switches. Okay, so we will need to disconnect those. Okay, right here. Let me turn the light on quick so we can show you better that light. Okay, those wires, you need to press down on it once we remove them. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so that's the light. The wires for the hazard lights right here. You need to press down on that thing. Okay, like that, and pull. And next, what you need to do right here. Okay, next you need to remove those wires just the same way. You press down on the notch and pull them out. Just be careful when you pull, don't grab them just for the wires to pull. Sometimes they will be stuck pretty good. Okay, that big wire, that red thing right here, it needs to come up first. Okay, we'll show you. Trying to get a good view here and we can't. Okay, right there, you can see, and now we can push down and pull the wires. Okay, like that, and we have the whole assembly out of here now, you can see. Alright guys, so now we can go ahead and remove the heater control switches right here. We have a couple bolts, little screw bolts we use a 532 little socket. It's probably 4 or 5 millimeter. 532s fits really good. So you can see we have 2 on the left and I think 2 on the right side. Let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, now we have 2 more on this side. And that should be all pretty much. It's super simple because it doesn't use actually the cables and stuff. Don't forget guys to subscribe to our first channel, World Mechanics, and subscribe to this channel as well. Our goal is to help as many people as we can, guys. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So that's how you guys remove it, and you just install it in reverse order, guys. Not very complicated at all. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.